Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from Project Team 11. Our project is to create an autonomous rover, and as we are from an odd team, we are supposed to implement the project in Linux. So this is our Sprint 1 review. We have discussed the project requirements in our first Scrum call, and we have come upon few user stories and tasks. After that, we have assigned the tasks and divided them among ourselves equally. After the software installations have been done, we have spent time in understanding the ROS and gazebo environments to design our rover and implement the project. I have taken up task 8, which is to design the chassis. I created the initial chassis structure, added wheels to it in gazebo, and then Naneshwar was responsible in completing the task 9, which is to develop the body of the rover. He was dealing with the links and joints of the rover, and then he has joined the back wheels and caster wheel to it. After the rover was designed, Janardhan and Ashik, initially they have tested the rover navigation in Gazebo to check whether it is able to move or not and whether it is working fine. After that, they have started working on navigation code for the rover to accept commands from keyboard, and also they have taken up user story basic rover navigation. So they were working on the code. Cherishma was assigned LiDAR integration. It is a sensor which measures the distance between the obstacle and the current position of the rover. This user story is still in progress and is placed in product backlog for Sprint 2. She has used Velodyne LiDAR in this project and attached it to the rover and gazebo. She has completed the first two steps, which are creation of SDF model and adding inertia, but the integration part is still pending. The task of integrating the camera to the rover was taken up by Maitri. She has attached the depth camera to the rover. As Gazebo and ROS are independent, sensors do not include ROS plugins by default. Hence, custom camera had to be designed and plugin had to be added later on. The complete integration could not be done in the sprint. We have faced a few difficulties and challenges in working with the softwares. Initially, the VirtualBox, and then the Gazebo environment was very slow, so which made us to design the rover again and again. Most of our time was invested in understanding each software functionalities, and then we couldn't exactly reach our sprint goal as we were only able to design the rover but not integrate it completely. We still have two backlogs, which is rover navigation and also the integration with LiDAR. And now Gnaneshwar will show you the working and the burn-down charts.
Okay, thank you, Akanksha. So I will be showing you what we have designed. So this is the board that we have designed. So we have here two wheels with a caster wheel, and there's a depth camera on it. And for it to move, I will be changing some parameters here. So as you can see, the bot is moving. So we have successfully achieved motion for the rover, and this is about the development in the current sprint. And so coming to our user stories, so our current backlog after sprint 1 looks somewhat like this. So and our so this is the graph for sprint burn down chart. So that's it about sprint 1 from team 11. Thank you.